Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss warts, pathology, and diagnosis. In Western pathology and diagnosis, warts are common and benign cutaneous tumors due to infection of epidermal cells by the human papilloma virus. The virus infects by direct inoculation and is caught by touch, sexual contact, or in swimming pools. As you can see in the photo, there's a wart on the hand. It's a common wart present as dome-shaped papules or nodules, usually on the hands or feet. This is a picture of a plain viral warts. Plain warts are smooth, flat-top papules, often slightly brown in color, commonest on the face and hands. Plantar warts are seen in children and adolescents on the soles of the feet. Genital warts affect the penis in males and the vulva and vagina in women. The warts present as small papules. In Chinese pathology and diagnosis, from the Chinese point of view, common plain and plantar warts are usually due to a combination of blood deficiency and dryness, blood heat, and blood stasis, depending on whether the warts are pale and dry, red, or dark brown. Genital warts are usually due to damp heat in the liver channel, which may be complicated by toxic heat if the warts are pustular and painful. In Chinese pathology of warts, blood deficient and dry is pale and dry warts. For blood heat, it's red warts. Blood stasis, dark warts. Damp heat in the liver channel is genital warts, and toxic heat is painful and pustular warts. Thank you for your attention.